Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Arrested for Stealing Student's Laptop and Passport."
On September 5th, a student from the University of Illinois called police after a backpack containing her laptop, passport, and money had been stolen. Officers tracked down the device to a nearby restaurant and head over to confront the suspect, leading to multiple felony charges after she tries to resist.
Hello. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Is this your laptop here?
No, yesterday I got it from a friend.
Okay.
They let me use it.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license or a state ID on you?
I usually do.
Can I see that?
Yes.
You can just leave all that stuff on the table.
Well, I was going to the bathroom.
Oh, okay. Well, you're not going to go anywhere for a minute here. I need to see your driver's license.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, is there a problem? I'm going to get it. I'm just
okay.
I'd like to know.
You can just leave that out. Leave everything on the table. It's okay.
Well, I was already leaving anyway, so...
Well, you're going to stay here for now, okay?
Why? Okay. I just want to know what's going on.
I'll pay you a second.
I'm sorry, what?
Can I see that Illinois ID?
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
Can I see that Illinois ID?
That's it. Please,
Don't do that.
I'm not being.
Don't
Stop!
do that.
Stop! I got anxiety. Anxiety out. You're stabbing me.
Don't
Wait!
I've got one.
Okay, stop. I just need to know what's going on and why you're doing that. Why? For what? I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. I want my lawyer. I did not do nothing. I did not do nothing.
Stop.
Okay, let's go. I didn't do nothing wrong. And that's not it. Let go of me. Let go of me, please. Okay, let go of me. You're hurting me. Okay, let go of me then.
You sit here. I'm
gonna sit down right there. You're hurting me. I'm not even here doing it. Please stop. I didn't do it. She's really stop.
Stop.
Well, let go of me then.
You're under arrest.
What? Please stop.
But we just need you to try to, take those deep breaths so that, you can try to de-escalate yourself.
Are you want a unit here for transport? Or are you guys going to do it? I can't do it. I have a dog.
If we can't have someone come here.
I'm the Terminator. I just want to make sure you guys don't need anything.
I think we're okay.
I can help you with.
No, I think we're okay. We were just going to try to take her into custody and, she started fighting and stuff.
Okay.
I'm just going to try to remove everything here from you, from her. If you guys want to wipe this up after I leave, just make sure there's no drugs, needles, anything that would be illegal in here. Okay. I would do a really good cleaning of this space.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Did you come out here to Panera for a search and a transport? I can't transport.
You have evidence bags in your car.
Here.
Let me go. I have
my
some.
car is parked back here. Just bring my car around. Here, in the back. The dog won't kill Paul, but he won't hurt you. So we're gonna have a female officer come here and search you, okay? Before she gets here, listen. Before she gets here, do you have anything on you that's gonna poke her or stick her? Do you have any needles on you?
My money's never my lawyer.
I'm not asking you questions about what you're being arrested for. I'm asking if you have a needle.
I'm not arrested for either. It's just that I have my money in there for my lawyer. I don't have
Do what?
I don't have anything else to say.
I've been asking you for our safety if you have a needle on you. That's all I'm asking. This has nothing to do with the case. This is a general officer safety question. Do you have a needle on you? Or any needles in your purse or on you? That's all I'm asking.
How am I supposed to be able to see what you guys are doing by sitting there if I'm not in there watching you guys get my things?
We're not going to take your things.
I know you guys are you guys, hello?
Do what, ma'am? They know more about the case than I do, and you'll have to ask them. I was speaking with her about the needles, and she won't answer any of my questions.
Okay.
So my guess is she might have something on her.
Yeah, watch her.
It's
Squirrely.
because it's bony and it's handcuffed.
And anyways, she has.
Oh, you go when I go.
What?
You dumb because I can't run handcuffs on.
Oh, people can run with handcuffs on. It's happened before.
Yeah.
So she doesn't know
How
what...
am I going to jail and I didn't steal anything?
Well, what you were in possession of was stolen property, so...
Well, I found it in the book bag.
And that's not what you just told me before I talked to you.
No, you had the laptop, and that doesn't...
Well, listen.
Did you approve me stealing it? I mean, I don't understand.
How about this? Since you're in custody right now, I'm going to read you this, okay? No, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
You know, it amazes me how they were just chilling before the cops came, and now all of a sudden the cops come, and now you got to go to the bathroom, and oh, I was about to leave, and come on, man. You stealing somebody's stuff. Like, on one end, it's like, do people steal? Yeah, people steal, right? But the laptop, okay, you might be able to get some value out of that if you go to pawn shop or something like that, right? But you stole someone's passport. What the hell do you plan on doing with that? Like, come on now.
I didn't steal anything.
All right, I'm just letting you know that I'd asked her about needles and she won't answer the question. So just be prepared.
Down,
but
because you're not going to get out of this.
Come on.
That's fine, but sit down.
Sit down, please. Come on. You've been cooperative so far. Just sit down. You've been cooperative once we got you out here. Just please sit down. Thank you very much.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to a lawyer and to have a lawyer present while you're being questioned. If you're unable to pay for a lawyer, one will be appointed for free. Do you understand your rights?
Nope. But I have my money for a lawyer.
Do you understand your rights?
Go pay my.
Okay. Do you wish to talk to me without a lawyer?
No, I don't.
You want your lawyer? Okay. No problem.
Keep me out of jail.
No, you're going to jail.
Yeah.
Get close on you.
And I didn't see any of you guys. You could have put anything in there the whole time.
I got ahead of these.
That's fine. Thank you. I'm sorry.
We're good.
This is bullshit.
101 from 131. We're going to be on the northeast side open air.
I'm not going to find my way to do it. Like always, trying to charge me things I didn't do.
Yeah.
Well, because I'm tired of it. It's not fair.
Well, can you please sit down? Like, I don't understand. Like,
You don't understand?
why you're being uncooperative.
Because I'm tired of the police, that's why. Second of all, because they gotta keep me in touch with things that I didn't do. Just like found the book bag does not mean that I took it. Just I'm in possession of something doesn't mean that I took it. And I shouldn't be going to jail for it. And I mean, where's the proof? And you just say you paid this and whatever. The laptop, yeah, I said I took out from my friend with the virtual. That's against my rights. That's against the law. That's unlawfully detaining me because I didn't take the book bag. So unless you guys have somebody that has seen it or described me, then you can't arrest me. That's unlawful. My lawyer's just enough money to get my lawyer, and my lawyer's not in any. The lawyer's number's in there.
Did you go to that pickup? Or where'd Snow go?
He's in the pickup.
And I didn't get to see all of what they put in that stuff. I know what they planted, so they should have been in there when they were looking through my thing.
Ma'am, I can tell you right now, none of our officers are planning anything in your stuff. Everything they took was everything you had in there sitting there.
You know that it happened, so you know there's crooked cops out there, so you can't.
There may be, but I work with people that aren't that way, so there's no need to worry about them doing something. They're obtaining evidence for their case. That's what they're doing, okay? So once again...
So I probably don't get out today, or tomorrow, then. Right?
And once again, I will reiterate something to you real quick, okay? Is you chose not to speak with the officer, and that's fine, but once again, I'm telling you, regardless of the situation, you are in possession of a stolen laptop, and you're using it, okay? That's a big deal, okay?
I mean, let me I let me use it. Oh, I didn't take it. I want to go. That's unlawful. You detaining me. Are you sure I didn't? Doesn't see me do it because I didn't take it, so.
Ma'am, I just told you.
I understand.
I just told you that you're in possession of a stolen laptop.
How did I know it was stolen? It was clearly unlawful for me to use. That don't make no sense.
Okay, well.
You probably think I'm the line all the time. And how did I know it was taken?
So,
Let me take her over there.
yeah, it's over.
Okay. Let's go over here, man. Come on. please. We're not going to throw you around. We haven't done that. Just cooperate with us. Come on. We'll get you over here by this squad car, okay? Come on.
Amy, just stop.
You've done good so far once we got out here. Come on.
Just listen to it.
Just don't there's no need, all right? That's fine.
Go ahead, sir. Do you have anything that can stick me?
Got her?
Yep. Stick me, poke me, hurt me? Anything on you at all that can hurt me? Okay. Being honest. What I'm going to do is take your coat off just because for the protection of you and for me, okay? Got it? So I'm going to take your coat off.
What pocket?
It's in this, which pocket? It's still in my arm pocket. It's in here? What is it? Yeah, what is it? It's a needle? Is that all you got? Just one needle? Okay. What's that? Okay, so what I'm going to do is just take this stuff out and set it here with this officer, okay? Is there anything in this pocket that could stick me, poke me, hurt me? No? That's fine. All right, I'm going to put you in the back of the squad, okay?
See, now that explains it. You got a needle, man. You on that stuff. You know what I'm saying? You got to get that fixed. You got to get that fixed. Finked out, man. Trying to get a couple of dollars. You know, I don't know why she was necessarily using the laptop, though. But, you know, she could have probably took it to go to the pawn shop or whatever the case may be. But I want to talk about a statement that that the officer said a little while ago. So, you know, she's like, oh, you're going to plant things on me, blah, 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 right? You know, and then the cop says, well, I work with officers that don't do that. Now, to be fair, she's like, you know, or he's like, you know, I got good officers or good cops or whatever the case may be. The thing is that in every department, you got one or two that are iffy, okay? They got question marks. Now, you may or may not know who they are, but I'm just saying there's bad apples in every bunch. You know what I'm saying? But he's not wrong for the statement that he made, but I'm just saying I hope he's not so naive to think that there ain't people in your department that you know, they're a little questionable. All right?
Got anything in your shoe? Anything? I'm gonna pull your hair down real quick, okay? Just gonna do that. Okay. Have a seat real quick. I'll buckle you in.
So I got confused when we were touching her because you had her hand and I had her hand, and I'm like,
It was.
I got it, Mo. Then that's why I had you cuffed because once I got a hold of her, she wasn't going anywhere.
It was a mess, but yeah, thankfully
It worked. What do you mean? How was that a mess? There was a person resisting.
No, I know. I'm saying with the whole me and you and stuff.
You want a bag?
Can I get
Yeah.
two, please?
I'm not really not worried about it now.
I still would.
I thought it didn't have a cap on it.
But she did say it's
There.
mixed with drugs, so I would still.
She said water and drugs. I think you still need to be tested.
Well, can I just clean it?
Well, yeah, but still.
Or you can
Is
have.
he filling out the charge sheet, or am I doing that?
Let's take her to police.
Okay.
Let her sit down for a bit. Maybe she'll
Calm down and talk.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll figure everything out there,
So,
and then take
so
her.
listen to me. When you were gone, she wanted an attorney. That was fine. I never asked for a word, but she kind of spilled a little bit, and I just let her talk. Basically said, like, I didn't take it. I got it from somebody, and I got that backpack from somebody, and she mumbled, like, under her breath, but didn't say a name. And then she was like, I mean, how am I supposed to know it's stolen? That's what she said. She was claiming that she got it back from somebody else stole it. She paid it. I said, well, I said, you're...
The suspect was charged with theft, resisting arrest, possession of methamphetamine, and other paraphernalia. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and be...
I thought she stole a passport too. That's what was in the title, I think. Why she ain't being charged with, you know, having something with identity or ID or something like that or whatever, right? You can't just have other people's ID. At least I think you can't. All right. Anyway, yeah, just regular junkie shit. You know, she a junkie, you know. That's it. I get officers a 5 out of 5. They did pretty good, man. You know what I'm saying? They didn't have to get her all the way together inside of Panera Bread, you know, as far as like throwing her to the ground or something, or really, you know, putting that on her, you know. So it worked out. Everything was all good, man. So 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.